What is up, YouTube? This is Nick. Sorry about the wind. Quick update. So I told you in my last video regarding the spark plug change that I had a big update coming for my truck. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I had to save up a lot of money for it and get the blessing from my wife. So without further ado, same truck. And you can see that we got the back tire stuffed pretty well. Super Duties don't stuff tires. The suspension's too stiff. So let's go around to this side. And the reason the truck is doing this is because of these amazing people right there. Carli. I'll quickly show you the front end. Has the Carli Backcountry system with 2.0 custom tuned shocks. It has got the Carli Torsion sway bar installed. It's got the full progressive rear leaf springs. Been waiting a few days to get the install done on this. Tomorrow, gonna go get some new tread for the truck. Super excited. It has such a difference in the ride quality of the truck. The truck will go over little bumps without a problem. Going up a hill like this, that outside tire that should be off the ground if it was stock suspension would be completely spinning. I would have had to put in the locking rear differential or put it in four-wheel drive. I cannot tell you how happy I am, how excited I am. Shout out to Carli. It's, as we get older, we get less things that we're excited about in life. I've been so excited today for this that I was like a kid in a candy store. Just like felt like Christmas was coming. And I knew that I might get the best gift. Yeah, super excited. Shout out to CJC Off-Road down in California. They're the ones that shipped me this system. Super helpful. They would answer any calls I had, any questions I had, never made me feel like I was stupid. Big decision though, you can level your truck for $600 or you can level it for $5,000. So anyway, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Stay tuned, gonna get some tires and rims. We'll do some video updates. I'll let you know what tire and rim package I went with tomorrow. Well, maybe not tomorrow, it's gonna be a long day, but maybe the day after. Peace out, everybody.